Today's video we are getting audio from this phone microphone and we are making it sound like this. So it's the same phone microphone but sounding a lot more professional, and the best bit of it is we're doing it for free using AI. What's up? Welcome to Tech Select. My name is Linus. Now, if you're not subscribed to the channel, now would be a very good time for you to hit the subscribe button, notification bell, so that you're alerted each time a new video drops on this channel. Now, in today's video, like I said earlier, we're dealing with audio. Now, there's been a buzz going around with artificial intelligence, and of course, it was just a matter of time before artificial intelligence did catch up with, almost every part on being of our lives. Now, today we are looking at artificial intelligence in audio processing. Now, long gone is a time where you had to hire somebody to clean up your audio and such, and now it's just by a click of a button and you get very, very clean audio. Now, to get your audio cleaned up, all we are going to do is go to one website, and this website in particular, if I might take it to my PC over here, is podcast.adobe.com/enhance. The link is in the description so that you can always click on and also get to log in. And of course, once you log on to there, you're going to need to sign up with an email address or whatever, but it's a free process, so you might as well want to go ahead and do it. And once you're done signing up, it will bring you to this screen over here. Now, on this screen, as you can see, it just says remove noise from voice recordings with speech enhancement. And then on to your right, it just says drag and drop audio, or you can upload the audio file. Now, there's just a bit of caveat here, if you may notice. Your maximum file size should be 500 MB, and then the maximum is 1 hour. So 1 hour upload, 1 hour per upload. Those are doing very long podcasts. It will definitely block you over here, but you can always cut it up into 1 hour segments, and then the maximum you can do is 3 hours in total per day. So what I believe is fair, and of course, being a free tool right now, we don't know for how long it's going to be free, so we might as well maximize it. Now, all we are going to do here is upload our audio for this video, upload it to the website, and then by the time we download it, it should be a lot better. Now, in the process of this whole thing, as it is processing, I am switching between the raw audio file, which is this right now, to the enhanced audio file, which would be this one, and then they will just keep flipping through them left and right, just so that you can hear what exactly our audio sounds like from the raw version and the enhanced version. Now, this will be a good time to tell you why you'd need this kind of tool. Let us say, for example, you're vlogging and you're in a very crowded place and there's lots of noise background happening, and you just want your audio to be the one which is clear, you want your voice to be the one that is clear, then you would need this tool. If you're like me and the place you're filming from, let's say your studio, is not well treated and you have all these echoes in the room and all of that, then you'd need this tool. If again you're like me and where you're staying is a very noisy place, for instance, I stay next to a church. So once they start their service, there's lots of noise, there's the band, the singing, the clapping, and I cannot record anything at that same time. So with this kind of tool, I can get to remove the noise and have my audio as clean as possible. So I believe that is the reason as to why you'd actually want a tool like this one. It's so simple. All you have to do is hit upload, upload your audio file to it, it gets to process it, and then you download your clean file, put it in your edit, and you're good to go. Some of us fear all this other editing that happens in Adobe Audition and stuff like that, but this here is straightforward. Even easiest person, it's very so straightforward that even it's so easy for anyone to jump on and take hold and get to utilize these wonderful tools like these ones. Now, if you like these kinds of videos, now would be a very good time for you to hit the subscribe button, notification bell, so that you're alerted each time a new video drops on this here channel. Well, that's been a quick tip for you how you can enhance your audio. I hope it actually does help you out there. Let me know in the comment section if this has helped you out in any way. Let me know. I'll be very, very glad to hear the feedback from you. But well, for today, allow me to say bye-bye. I shall see you in the next video. Ciao.